morning students, you're welcome in physics online classes. Yes, your favorite subject physics. And I'm just representing in front of you the chapter motion. Yes, chapter motion, and the today topic is uniform circular motion. This is the last topic of this chapter, uniform circular motion. Please concentrate on these words, uniform and circular and motion. Uniform means constant, but in this case the motion is not constant, it is a accelerated motion. Yes, my dear student, the uniform circular motion is an example of a accelerated motion because the speed of the body is constant. The speed of the body is constant, but the direction of the body is continuously changes. Due to this motion, it means the uniform circular motion is known as accelerated motion. Yes, so we just start uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. And uniform circular motion. In case of uniform circular motion, the direction of the body is the direction of the tangent, direction of tangent. So like in the case uniform circular motion, if body like this rectangle and continuously goes from this direction with a constant speed is constant, but here we can see that the direction is continuously changes here, from west to east, then north, west, south, continuously changes. So this is an accelerated motion. If in circular path, then continuously changes their direction. And we can also explain as the rotation. These are the tangent, the circle and tangent, this motion, uniform circular motion. And here the uniform circular motion is also one thing is important, a force developed that is known as centripetal force. Centripetal and centrifugal. The meaning of centripetal means towards the center and centrifugal means from the center. Yes, so centripetal force is also developed in this case. Uniform circular motion, and the formula is speed equals to distance upon time. Yes, the formula of speed is equals to distance upon time, and in the case of circle, the total distance covered by an body is equal to the, yes, this is the circumference upon time. And the formula of the circumference in case of a circle is, please remember this term, the circumference of a circle, yes, 2 pi r if the circle has radius r. So 2 pi r upon t, that is speed. Speed is equals to 2 pi r upon t. Here r is radius of circle, t is time, and 2 and pi are constant. So my dear student, please concentrate, and we just take one numerical question based on this formula. So we just wait, we just solve. Yes, this question is: a cyclist goes once round a circular track of diameter 105 meter, 105 meter. This is the diameter. In 5 minutes, this is time, and calculate his speed. Yes, my dear student, we know that speed is equals to distance upon time, but in case of circular motion, the distance is 2 pi r upon t. Here diameter is 105 meter, so the radius equals to diameter by 2, 105 by 2 meter. Yes, the diameter d is equals to 105 meter, and the radius diameter by 2, 105 by 2. Here the value of r है ना. So and time t equals to 5 minutes. We can change in second na. 5 multiply with 60, that is 300 second. Yes, so the value of speed equals to 2 pi r upon t. Yes, 2 pi r upon t. So the 2 and pi equals to 22 upon 7 into r, 105 by 2, and t is equals to 300. So 2 and 2 both are cancel out to each other, and the finally this one is 22 multiply with 105 upon 7 into 300. Yes, so this we can solve. 22 multiply by 100, 2200, and 7 through 2100. So it may be 1.1 meter per second. This is your answer, 1.1 meter per second. So got it? Please revise this topic, uniform circular motion, and also the important topic is examples of uniform circular motion. Uniform, like as a sun and earth revolves, है ना, revolves toward the sun ना, is the example of uniform circular motion. Moon revolves around the earth, it is an also example of uniform circular motion. And the cyclist, if round the in a field in a circular path, then it is an also example of uniform circular motion. So please remind and learn examples of uniform circular motion. So please concentrate on focus this and revise the topic uniform circular motion. Yes, finish. Please like, share and comment on my channel. Thank you.